Tikulandireni omvera athu nonse kulikonse kumwe muli kuchokera mzigawo zonse zinayi za mdziko lino. Dziwani kuti ifa Dreams Media timakunyadirani kwambiri chifukwa munapanga chisankho chotsatira ife kuti tizikupatsirani zonse zomwe zikuchitika mdziko muno.
Zimakhulupirirazo kuti anthu ambiri amene amaonera ma videos osiyanasiyana kuchokeranso ku parliament mwina samadziwa kuti ma issue enawa anthu amakhala akususana kuchokera pansi pa mtima, anthu amakhala apya mtima kutengeranso ndi zimene anzawo ena amakhala akuyankhula koma zosiyana ndi zimene amalawi akuyenera azimva. Kodi zimenezi takambapo chifukwa chani? So tonse tikudziwa kuti parliament akumachema kwambiri, ndipo video imene iye amene akuyankhula pamene pai ndi honorable aphale amene wawa, ndipo tikuonanso kuti video mweyi honorable otanya milandu adachita chowasusa amene wa Ndewu ya mawu, ndi tutaona kuti amabwezerana zichewa makamaka nene kuti zichewa kutengeranso ndi zimene adayankhula aphale azikuoneka kuti anthu ambiri adadana nazo, ndipo honorable otanya milandu atayimirira adaponyanso ndithu mabakera omveka bwino ndi zichewa za mthanana. Tateni timvere komanso kuonera limodzi timve kuti pamenepa makamaka amayankhana motani, koma nkhani yonse yakuona pakuti tikuona kuti MCP ochuluka aphungu komanso osatira chipani chimenechi sakufuna kuvomereza kuti chipani cha MCP chidachita choyendesa makamaka chuma cha dziko mwake. Pointi ikumagona pamenepo ni pake tikumaona Ndewu yobwezerana zichewa, yobwezerana ma VN, yotumizirana mauthenga osiyanasiyana. Tateni tonene komanso kumvera limodzi, koma mukafika kumapeto osewala kupanga like, share komanso subscribe.
Statement that the Honorable Minister of Finance made, and it is in the book that has been circulated to us. One can tell that from the submission that the Honorable Minister of Finance has made to this August House and the people at large in Malawi, we can all agree that we seem to be in macro instability. We are in a distress. But we can't blame anybody. We just have to take collective responsibility as a country to mitigate what is there.
Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, I was listening to my good old friend, Honorable Pale from Salima, Honorable Pale from Salima.
Honorable Member for Salima Central East.
Honorable Member for Salima East. Is it in order, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, that he must say that we are in this situation because there's nobody to blame? He has stated that outright, without any shame, that this economy is on the deathbed because there's nobody to blame. Is it in order? Is it in order? Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, I want to state here very clearly, we have a problem of denial. Our colleagues on opposition have not accepted wrongdoing up until now. Up until now. I'm standing here, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, amazed that we have people that can lie. We have people that are hypocrites. Hypocrites. They are not accepting wrongdoing and failure up until now. Mr. First Speaker, their wrongdoing has put DPP in a very difficult situation. They paralyzed this economy. DPP is trying to resuscitate this patient, to give it life. And they are not appreciating the good efforts and the good work by DPP to bring this patient back to life. My fellow land nurse doctor there should know much better that they mess this economy. They must accept and apologize to this country. They owe an apology to this country. They must. They must. They must.
Thank you, Honorable Member. Order to my right. Thank you, Honorable Member.
Thank you, Honorable Member. Let me finish, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir. No.
Member, Marisisa.
Thank you, honorable member.
Can I finish?
You have made your submission.
Can I finish?
I will allow you.
Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir. It is annoying. It is annoying that up until now they have not accepted failure. It is annoying. It is annoying that we are punishing innocent citizens because of their poor performance.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Order to my right. Order to my right. Order to my right. Honour members, if that was a point of order, whip, let's resume our seats. I would like to make few announcements. Honour members, leader, please resume your seat. Honour members, order. Order to my right. Order to my right. Order to my right. Honour members, order. Order. Order, order.
First Deputy Speaker.
Please, order.
First Deputy Speaker. I've been reflected. I've been reflected here. First Deputy Speaker. Oh, no. It's out of what I've been reflected. My name has been mentioned. My name has been mentioned. I've got the right to defend myself. Mention my name. No. I've got.
Honour members, allow me to make the following ruling. The honourable member for Sanje Central East has used few words that were not parliamentary. The word lying is not parliamentary. Can I encourage you, honourable member, you're going to have time to debate in this house. The content that you have brought could come to this house in a form of a debate, and it could have awarded you more time and to debate. I pray tomorrow you're going to be given that opportunity. Honour member, point of order is only 1 minute. So next time you use that opportunity on a point of order, please rise for 1 minute. I would like to request you to withdraw the word lying now before I adjourn the house. And hypocrites, those two words, the word lying and hypocrites, should be withdrawn. Thank you very much, Honour Member.
Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, because you have asked me, I will withdraw my comments. Because you have asked me. But the truth remains. The truth remains. The truth remains.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Tikuyamikeni komanso kuthokozani popanga chisankho chokhala pamenepa kumvetsera komanso kuonera zomwe takubweretserani. Chomwe tingakupempheni choti ngati muli alendo pamudzi pano tapangani subscribe, chifukwa mukatero inu ndi ife tidzendera limodzi kuyambira lero mpaka na masiku omwe akubwera kusogoloko. Timabweratu ndi nkhani zochokera ngodya zonse zinayi za mdziko lino, kotero kuti inu simukuyenera kuti mukhale kunja kwa nkhani zimenezi. Tapangani subscribe, like, comment komanso share kuti tikhale limodzi mu ulendo umenewu.